Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain tutorial to all of you about how to make 12 and 15 meter of modern boutique house with 2 story. Okay, first of all we have to make the rotated rectangle. Start from here and then we can type 12 meter, then we can type to the back 15 meter. Okay, just like this. I will show you about the dimension. Anyway, this is about the dimension. Okay, so you can see about it. Okay, and after that we can push it down 300 meter. Okay, we can just make group, and after that we can make the separation between the indoor area and outdoor area with the tape measure tool. We can place on this position around 7 meter. Okay, just something like this. Okay, and then we can make the another floor over there with using this rectangle. Okay, then we have to push it up around 300 meter. Then we can just make it group anyway. Okay, and after that we can continue to make the basic wall. We can continue to make basic wall with the rectangle. Start from here to the here, then we can offset it inside 150 millimeter. Then we can erase. So, and after that we can push up. We can push it up around 3500 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make group anyway. And after that we can also separate this wall with using the tape measure tool. Start from here to be here. We can separate it around 2 meter only anyway, or 2 meter 500 millimeter. Okay, we can just click it, they can draw it, then we can draw it with line also. Then we have to push it to the down. Okay, and then we can make the another wall on here. We can select it and select move to the left 150 millimeter. Then we have to push it back 1500 millimeter. Okay, then we can select it and we can select move and press Ctrl to duplicate it 150 millimeter also. Then we can place on this position. Okay, so then we can make the another wall element. We can start using line, click this line, select a move and press Ctrl. Then we can place on this position 6 meter. So, and then we can also select this line again, move to the left side, then we can push it to the back. Okay, so and then we can draw the line, select a move, press Ctrl, can type 150 millimeter, select push until this position. Okay, so then we can select this line, select move, press Ctrl 120 millimeter and press on the right side until this position anyway. So and then we can complete this encouragement of this floor, something like this. Okay, and after that we can make the second floor area. We can make the second floor area. We can using this rectangle until this here. Then we can push it up around 3500 millimeter. Okay, just something like this. Then we can make group. Okay, and then we can select it, can place on this position, we can push it up anyway. Okay, and after that we can also push it up. We can push it up and erase it. Okay, so and after that we can also make the wall, make the additional wall to the second floor. Okay, just something like this. Then we can just push it down anyway. I'm sorry, we can make separation with a line over there. We can push it down around 3200 millimeter. So then we can make the another element using line, then we can set thickness around 30 millimeter. We can complete the uncompleted line over there. Okay, sorry, we can select all this line, then we have to select all this line, then we have to move it to the front just a little bit. We can complete this uncompleted line over there. We can select move until this position, then we have to push it up. Okay, we can push it to this position around 5700 millimeter, then we can just make it group. Okay, and after that maybe we can push it down to make the wall lower than before, around 500 millimeter. And this one also we can push it down also. So, and after that we can make the another element. We can make the another rectangle element over there. Okay, we can scale it to the right side, then we have to push it to the front until this position, and we can push it up push it to the left until this position. We can just make it group. Okay, and after that we can make the rectangle over there. We can push it to the right. Okay, and after that we can make the flat roof in here, then we can push it up around 3000 until 300 until 400 millimeter. Then we have to push it to the back, and then we have to push it to the right side also, and then we can make the another wall element. We can using the rectangle start from here and push it until this position. Okay, then we can just make group, and we can start using this rectangle and push it to the front until this position. Just make it group, and then we can make the another wall element. We can start using a rectangle over there. We can use until this position, then we can push it to the right. Okay, we can push it to the forward and push it to the left side. Okay, so then we can push it down anyway, and then we can push it to the front also. Okay, so then we can just make it group, and we can make it to be outer cell over there, just something like this, so we can see what this is. Then we can make the another variation. We can select the line and duplicate it, then we can duplicate it, move it a little bit and push it back. Okay, so then we can make the another wall over there. We can make the another wall. Okay, so and after that we can select this line. Okay, so we can erase it. So then we have to push it up. Okay, until this position we can make it group, and then we can make the flat roof over there. Okay, we can make a flat roof, then we can scale it to the right side and push it up just a little bit. Then we can make the line to be separation, then we can push it to the front just a little bit. Then we can select it and move it down just a little bit, and select it, then move it up just a little bit movement. Then we can push it to the back just a little bit. Okay, so then we can just make it group. Then we can assign a material. We can assign with the material. We can using glass material to this position. So, and then we can using black material color to one of those flat roof anyway. Okay, we can offset it inside first. Okay, we can click it. So then we can select a roof, and we can select this, and we can so, and after that we can select RGB. Okay, we can select color wheel, and then we can adjust the color of this flat roof anyway. Then we can make another ceiling roof with the cladding brick. We can select this. Okay, and after that we can make another wall element over there. We can using this rectangle, then push it to the front, make it group, and just assign with this material. We can set the color. Okay, so and after that we can adjust with another concrete material. Maybe we can using this material. Okay, so and after that we can make the extension of this element. Then we can make another wall element over there and push it to the front, make group, and then can use it also, or maybe we can use another material over there. Okay, and after that we can make the entrance door with using 3 meter of elevation, and start from this. Okay, we can make the big entrance door over there. We can using a rectangle. Push it to the front, make group, so then we can move it to back. Then we can also make another door element over there. Okay, we can use it, or maybe we can just black door element, but I think that's all our more perfect combination about the color. So I will choose the black element of the door, and we can make another handle element over there. Push it to the front, make group, then we can make another material to make it highlighted. Okay, and after that we can make another element such as a landscape element over there. We can use this and push it up a little bit and make group, and we can make another landscape. I'm sorry, we can use selecting it. Okay, we can using the landscape material, start from here, and maybe we can using this material. Then we can assign a material with this landscape element anyway. Okay, after that we can set another concrete material with this one. Sorry, with this material. Okay, so and after that we can also adjust this material also. Okay, so you can see about it. Okay, we can adjust and assign the material, and this one also. Then we can make another frame. Okay, we can make another frame of the corner window with using line. Okay, then we can push it to the back. It concern for exterior look anyway. For the detail you have to discuss with the door engineer or window engineer. Okay, so we have to move it right side. Okay, we can move it again, and then we can complete this uncompleted line. Then we can move and place on this position, and we can push it up just a little bit anyway. Okay. So then we can push it to the right side. Sorry. Okay, then we can make group, and we can assign with another black material. Okay, can select it and place on this position. Can click make component and create. So then we can move and place on this position. Then we can type /. So and after that we can also click this rectangle and push it to the left and just make it group, and then press material, make component, create, move, press control and place on this position. Then we can type 2/, it's enough. And also we can make another material over there using this material. So then we can add the component. Okay, this one I just place this material. Okay, I will place it in this position, and we can move it to the back to make a proportional look over there. And then we can move it down, okay, to make it more realistic. Then we can also clear on some unnecessary line over there. So then we can set the texture, profile to be more light. So then we can set the shadow. Okay, so it would be more different, and we can also set the match material for another side anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can improve it more. And thanks for watching. Just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.